Alright, so here's this Lennox Merit Series unit at my grandmother's apartment complex. It's a straight deal. It's a straight cool air conditioner with an LG scroll compressor, an interlink fan motor. 2012 5-ton. It's a small 5-ton. See if there's any more. I have not been to this area before. It's pretty chilly out today. Kind of sucks that it's not a heat pump. It's just like my place. My place has electric heat, electric baseboard heat for all the houses or all the apartments, but the office building has a straight cool air conditioner with gas. I think this might be gas. I didn't see a gas meter anywhere. But just like this building doesn't have baseboard heat. It has those wall heaters. Significantly cleaner than the Rude. That does kind of suck that it's not a heat pump. Unless it's a different compressor. I think that's a Millennium Scroll. I'm not sure. It's definitely different looking. Looks like a Millennium Scroll. I don't know. I'm just gonna guess it's got an LG scroll. But anyways, I guess that's it.